Hey there, folks, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and review the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of ergonomic workspace solutions with the NB North Bayou Monitor Desk Mount Stand. If you've been looking to improve your workstation and reduce the strain on your neck and back, this might just be the answer. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with an introduction to the NB North Bayou Monitor Desk Mount Stand. This versatile mount is designed to accommodate most monitors ranging from 17 to 30 inches, with a weight capacity ranging from 4.4 pounds up to 19.8 pounds. It's VESA compliant with 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm hole patterns, but the entire VESA plate is 118 by 118 mm for added flexibility. If your VESA holes are in a recessed area, NB North Bayou has got you covered with extra long screws and screw spacers. What truly sets this monitor mount apart is its fully adjustable design. Thanks to a robust gas spring system, you can effortlessly position your monitor in any desirable way. Whether you're working, gaming, or watching your favorite content, you can personalize your workstation to suit your needs. Plus, it supports both C-clamp and grommet installation methods, ensuring stability and versatility. In fact, it's one of the sturdiest desk mounts you'll find on the market. Are you tired of being limited by your monitor's fixed position? With the NB North Bayou mount, you'll enjoy a wide range of movements. Your monitor can be rotated and tilted effortlessly in any direction, with a tilt range from -30 degrees to +85 degrees. It also offers a 360-degree landscape VESA part rotation for added flexibility. The upright range extends up to 10 inches, and it can swivel ±90 degrees. Ergonomics is key here, allowing you to find the most comfortable viewing angle for work or play. Speaking of ergonomics, the NB North Bayou Monitor Desk Mount is all about improving your overall well-being. By offering you the freedom to adjust your monitor's height and angle, you're doing your spine, neck, and shoulders a big favor. Say goodbye to uncomfortable postures and hello to a more comfortable, pain-free workspace. Finally, let's talk about installation. This monitor mount comes with a detailed instruction manual and all the necessary hardware. It's so straightforward that one person can have it installed in under 10 minutes. Plus, it features hidden cable management to keep your desktop tidy and organized. So, there you have it, the NB North Bayou Monitor Desk Mount Stand. It's a game changer when it comes to creating an ergonomic and efficient workspace. With swivel flexibility, tilt options, 360-degree rotation, and easy installation, it's got everything you need to upgrade your setup. If you found this review helpful and you're ready to take your workspace to the next level, please hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this one. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay comfortable, stay productive, and stay tuned for more tech insights.